In QuickBooks, you store much of the information for your company file in lists. In QuickBooks, you keep lists for all of your vendors, customers, inventory items, and accounts. They are there so you will not need to retype information you use frequently every time you want to place it into a form. You also don't need to enter all of your information into the lists at startup. You can add information into all of your lists as you use QuickBooks. In this chapter, we will cover manipulating the main lists you will need to run QuickBooks efficiently. These include the chart of accounts, the customers and jobs list, the employees list, and the vendors list. These lists, with the exception of the chart of accounts, are maintained within the related center in QuickBooks. So, for example, you can open the Customer Center to access the Customers and Jobs list. The lists within the centers also share a similar layout and structure, so after you have learned how to perform list-related tasks in one of the centers, you will be able to quickly master using the lists in the other centers as well.